Good day everyone, I am Puvenraj K. Sivasubramaniam from the Faculty of Engineering enrolled in a subject known as Essential Management Principle. For this presentation, I have to choose a leader and research about the leadership style he used to apply for his organization. Facebook is in a very different place than Apple, Google, Amazon, Samsung and Microsoft. We are trying to build a community. Said by Mark Zuckerberg. But who is Mark Zuckerberg? Mark Zuckerberg is the co-founder, Chief Executive Officer or CEO and world's youngest billionaire. But how did he achieve this? He achieved this through the invention of the social networking site which is Facebook. Introduction of life story of the leader. Early life. Mark Zuckerberg, born in May 14, 1984. His hometown was in White Plains, New York. He born in a well-educated family where his father, Edward Zuckerberg, ran a dental practice while his mother, Karen, worked as a psychiatrist. He has 4 siblings including him, and they are Mark, Randy, Donna and Ariella. His early education. Mark Zuckerberg has a great interest in computer, so he able to invent some application. So his parents planned to hire a private computer tutor named David Newman. His talent in fencing, becoming the captain of the school, excelled in literature and finally earned a diploma in classics. Meanwhile, he also invented some software such as the music software known as Synapse. With his great interest in computer, the worldwide companies such as AOL and Microsoft offered him work opportunity, but he declined the offers. His college experience. Mark Zuckerberg enrolled at Harvard University. After sophomore year, he have left his studies officially just to become the full-time CEO of his own company which is Facebook. He also built a program called COSMATCH when he was in Harvard University. He also asked and agreed to work with 3 students, Divya Narendra and twins Cameron and Taylor Wickleworth, on a social networking site called Harvard Connection. He dropped the project just to concentrate on his own social networking site which is Facebook. What inspired him to lead? First of all, his passion. His passion toward building a system to connect the world globally. The mission of Facebook is to give people the power to share the world more open and connected. The founder of Facebook been passionate about the technology and he put in a lot of effort to achieve his goal. His great passion toward connecting the people make him an entrepreneur into a successful businessman or business leader, CEO or even a youngest billionaire in the world. Next, risk-taking ability. It is hard to come out with a project, but when we involve in it, keep your head high without giving up. This situation will be illustrate Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg liked to take risks. He refused the advice of his co-founders to use the Google AdSense due to low initial revenue. He ignored all the calls, emails and messages and turned down the investors to focus on ways to improve. The massive risk was during the separation occurred between the Facebook mobile application and also the Messenger. Most of the co-founders and also the investors said that this project will be lost. But during the separation, there was 12 investors showed their interest to funding in his site. Next, tech criticism. Although Facebook is one of the world famous social network, but Facebook has suffered its fair share of setback. The Facebook even been banned intermittently in some countries. But Mark Zuckerberg and his team remain determined and strong to face the challenges that comes their way. Leadership style. Mark Zuckerberg illustrates transformational leadership style. He described characteristics of encouraging and aggressive. He likes constant innovation and growth. He loved to debate and challenges. Even all three styles of leadership, which is autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire, will illustrate it. He instructs his employees to do assigned work, and he persistently asks feedback from the employees. Mark Zuckerberg believed that he treats his employee equally with a good manner. There are many reasons why people like to work with Mark Zuckerberg. He does not like the traditional hierarchies. In an ordinary organization, the managers or the leaders of the task will slot the employees into the roles based on their age or the experience. But Mark Zuckerberg will slot the capable people to a task so that the people can perform with that particular task by giving a full commitment. But Mark Zuckerberg also valued all those ideas given by the organization members in a clearer and obvious way. By break down the traditional hierarchies, he also break the barriers between the top management or the executive and the other employees. Next, Mark Zuckerberg empowers his employees. Is it difficult to run an organization with hundreds of employees? Definitely yes, but employees at Facebook are acting in a creative way outside the confines of bureaucracy. He assigns his employees according to their skill and interest so that the particular individual can develop that area thoroughly. Mark Zuckerberg deeply involved in all assignments. Involvement makes a task success. He remained involved with the mission and vision of Facebook. To achieve Mark Zuckerberg's vision to make changes to the world, his communication skill gave him a lot of support to lead his organization. The Zuck Reviews described in an article that speaks to Mark Zuckerberg's commitment to the effective and regular communication. His communication skill made the Facebook a success worldwide until now and make Mark Zuckerberg as a great leader. Success story of Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg used Atari Basic to create messaging application and name it as Zucknet. His father used this application in his dental office, while his whole family used this application to communicate within the house. Besides, he also created a music or MP3 playlist and he named it as Synapse. With his great interest in this computer, the big companies such as AOL and Microsoft hired him for work, but he declined the offers. In 2002, he entered Harvard University. He built a program known as Course Match. This application helped the student to choose their classes based on the course selections of the others. He also invented Face Mesh application, where this application can compare the pictures of two students and allow the users to vote on which students was more attractive. In some times, this application was blocked by the university administrator due to inappropriate content. Next, he also worked with students to develop a social networking site called Harvard Connection, but he dropped this project and officially started as a full-time CEO in his Facebook. By giving a full commitment, the data of the user grown to more than 2 billion users and made Zuckerberg a billion. On February 4, 2004, Mark Zuckerberg registered the domain name thefacebook.com and currently known as facebook.com. After some time, Mark Zuckerberg get to know that there was only 4,000 users registered. So, Mark Zuckerberg take action to update more features in Facebook. In 2003, the turnover of Facebook Inc. reached $7.87 billion. But how did Mark Zuckerberg earn this? The Facebook reached this amount where they have advertised the contextual ads on the Facebook or the social network. By 2005, Facebook became accessible to all the educational institutes in USA. Mark Zuckerberg believed that this social platform will be beneficial to students. Besides, Mark Zuckerberg also think to give an accessible registration for the public where the Facebook epidemic started. Facebook became a platform where individuals will try to search for the friends they have lost contact. With this factor, the number of users increases in Facebook. In 2010, Forbes magazine spotted Mark Zuckerberg as the world's youngest billionaire, with the stake of $4 billion. The same magazine reported in 2015 that Mark Zuckerberg grabbed the 7th place of the world billionaires with a net worth of $40.3 billion. In conclusion, leadership plays a major role that impacts the success of the organization. A leader can employ or use any style of leadership that will give massive success to the employers or even the organization. In this paperwork, I have focused on Mark Zuckerberg, the founder and the CEO of the Facebook. Although in early 2004, the Facebook was not too popular, but as the day passes, it has more users, and currently with over 2.7 billion monthly active users as of the second quarter of 2020, updated on August 10, 2020. I have grabbed this information from Statista.com. This statistic shows that Mark Zuckerberg's passion to connect people have been achieved through this. Mark Zuckerberg illustrates the transformational leadership style to lead the team for the success of Facebook. In some instances, he had to use autocratic, democratic, or laissez-faire to lead the team. But in any ways, Mark Zuckerberg usually achieves his desired success with the help of team. The employees also likes to work with Mark Zuckerberg because he breaks the ordinary hierarchies and break the barriers too that will be in between the top management and the employees. So, the younger generation should be like Mark Zuckerberg to invent and to lead the organization in order to achieve success. That's all from myself. Thank you very much.